half a mile just to go to the John. Who's a happy boy getting fed early in the morning? Good morning, Florida! Since Duke's doing that, I am gonna go in and get all snuggled up because it's chilly and still early. I like waking up in the woods. I like waking up outside. Guess I'm not really still inside, huh? Hey! Was that good? Good breakfast? Was that a good breakfast? What is it? Whoa! 39 degrees! And it's 48 degrees in here. 39 degrees outside. There's definitely something about the brisk air that makes camping comfy. Alright guys, we're gonna get back to sleep. I'll get back in a little bit. Enjoy the time lapse. It's still 44 degrees out right now. It's 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock somewhere. I think they're packing up or going to do something. But I have to say, I like this park. I like my campsite. And actually, when you're walking around, it's really not that bad. I mean, these ones right here where you just have one little sliver to yourself. But this one's pretty sweet. So I recommend this, number 12. It's a little far from the bathroom. If you got tents, I would say a good peaceful camping trip. An adventure. And some hiking. And some water exploring. Down at Beef O'Brady's yesterday. So, it was a good time. Nice fires. Nice chilly 2 days. And now, we're going to get up. We're going to pack up. And we're going to head out. First, I'm going to go for a walk. I'll put my contacts in, then go for a walk. So, let's start with that. My feet are cold. My feet are cold. If anybody's wondering what that buzzing sound is, it's my refrigerator. It's a little 14 volt 12 inch and it can do warming and cooling. I found it on Amazon. Let's see what the world has to offer today. It's chilly. 47 degrees. It's warming up. I think your fur is confused if it's spring or what, because this is just, you get me all hairy. say rig and setup. There we go. Warming up 51 degrees. Alright guys, now we're getting packed up. So this is going to include this campground at Rodman State Park here in Palatka. And this is site 12, hole through. And we're going to be heading back. Slowly but surely. Getting kind of hungry since I only had like, what, 10 wings yesterday, and I had no sausage. Cook up my wings. I had brought some wing sauce to make too. I was just kind of chilling in there. Ouch. Hurt myself doing that. Actually, I'll take. See if the two want to go out. Wanna go for a walk? Go for a walk? I'll take the garbage down there too. So this will work out perfect. I'll take this off there. It's warming up. Come on, let's go see what's over here. Campground, one of Monster Rodman. You guys can read this. Pretty cool. I just want to check what the sign says over here. Parking, which is a safe trail. Restricted area. Yeah, nothing. Just muddy. So you can group camping over here. Bunch of tents. Pretty cool. Alright, bud, come on. Alright, put this one in the books. guys, well, this includes this series and episode. We're getting back to St. Pete, and now we're going to research another adventure. So stick around for the next one. American Freedom Tour 2024. Fired up. Come along, would ya?